Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can delete website projects in the Framer website designer or builder. So let us dive into this. So head over to your workspace inside Framer and next navigate to the folder of your projects here on the left hand side, or navigate to all. And then guys, what you want to do is hover your mouse over the given page, select these three dots. And as you can see, there's no delete button. So what you want to do guys is move the given site project to the archive by clicking into this button, by confirming it here. That is going to archive and also unpublish your site. So archived sites get unpublished. Next, navigate to the archive folder here to the left. Hover your mouse over the given site project, and then you have two options: unarchiving it, or restoring, or deleting it. And as you can see guys, if I click into this button, this action won't be, I can't undo this, as you can see. So the site project will be deleted, including all website content. All collaborators will lose access to the site project. So let me do this for demonstration purposes. As you can see, I can only dismiss this notification. I can't undo this. So guys, make sure that you really want to delete again site projects, because you won't be able to restore it later. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.